Tashkent is facing a severe air quality crisis with pollution levels rising sharply over the past week. The spike has triggered widespread concern among residents as dust and fine particulate matter accumulate near the ground due to a temperature inversion. Hospitals report an increase in respiratory infections, and the Ministry of Health has for the first time issued SMS alerts urging people to wear face masks outdoors and in crowded areas. The environmental situation has brought into focus the long-standing challenges posed by both natural factors and human activity, including emissions from industrial enterprises, greenhouses, and older vehicles. In response to the worsening air quality, authorities have launched large-scale inspections across Tashkent city and the surrounding region. Environmental specialists and law enforcement officers have been conducting round-the-clock checks targeting facilities that use furnaces, industrial enterprises, and greenhouse operations suspected of emitting harmful substances. Air quality monitoring stations are being set up to track pollution in real time, and violators of environmental standards face administrative and legal penalties. Alongside inspections, the government has taken measures to improve access to household air purifiers, lifting customs duties on imports of these devices and specialized monitoring equipment. A new laboratory under the Ecology Committee will conduct in-depth analysis of PM 2.5 particles, providing scientific support for policy decisions. The import of air purifiers alone has risen ninefold over the past 3 years, reflecting both heightened public concern and urgent demand for cleaner indoor air. Despite these measures, experts have raised sharp criticisms. Some have questioned the rationale behind customs duties on essential health goods, such as air purifiers, and highlighted the costs imposed on greenhouse operators when they were forcibly disconnected from natural gas despite existing contracts. They also stressed the broader economic and social impacts, including rising healthcare expenses linked to air pollution, and questioned who would be held accountable for decisions that worsened the crisis. In response to the crisis, President Shavkat Mirziyoyev has signed a series of urgent decrees aimed at stabilizing the capital's air quality. All greenhouses in Tashkent and surrounding areas are to be immediately switched to natural gas with strict penalties for non-compliance. A special commission has been established to hold operations of facilities that violate environmental regulations, while a nationwide trade-in and trade-up system will allow citizens to replace older, high-emission vehicles with cleaner models. Large-scale urban reforms are also planned, including the installation of hundreds of automated air quality monitoring stations, the creation of a PM 2.5 laboratory, the modernization of irrigation networks, and the development of artificial lakes, fountains, and green corridors to reduce dust and improve city infrastructure. These measures form part of a broad environmental campaign aimed at both immediate stabilization and long-term improvement of Tashkent's air quality. While the measures are comprehensive, challenges remain. Residents continue to question past policies that contributed to the current crisis. The situation highlights the complexity of balancing urgent environmental needs with economic considerations and public accountability. Nonetheless, the actions represent a decisive response to an escalating environmental emergency, combining strict enforcement, modernization of urban infrastructure, and incentives for cleaner technologies. The coming month will determine whether these efforts can deliver tangible improvements to the air that Tashkent residents breathe every day.